They say women can't be friends and women can't be co-stars either. But here I am on India Today with a fantastic team of Hira Mandi, if I may call them all the muses of Sanjay Leela Bhansali, the queens of first of its kind series. Please welcome them all as they introduce themselves.
आदाब, हम हैं मलिका जान और आपके लिए हुजूर।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हम हैं वहीदा हीरा मंडी से।
आदाब, मैं हूँ लाजवंती।
फरीदन आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर है।
सलाम, हम हैं बिब्बो जान।
आदाब, हम हैं आलमज़ेब।
Well, I'll begin by congratulating you all for pulling off this. I mean, I must say I'm already so blown away and I'm so proud and feeling powerful sitting with you all right now. I want to understand from you, how do you all manage to break this stereotype? Especially you, Manisha ji. You were pitted against Madhuri ji. Do you think this rivalry exists?
No, I think of the whole this thing, even back then, I did a film called Lajja. And there, Madhuri ji was there, Rekha ji was there, so many other people were there, and we had phenomenal bonding. This thing, so maybe sometimes to play and all, people would write and we would not bother to clarify. But I think today the times have changed also in terms of now people, a lot of people are coming forward, a lot of ladies have come forward, and so much of awareness is there. And in today's time, I don't think it goes that well with the audience also. Ki women are fighting, and even back then we didn't, to be very honest. Maybe, whatever, but superficially. In today's time, no way.
Talking about Hira Mandi, one advantage and one disadvantage of working with Sanjay Leela Bhansali as a director.
You want us to go individually?
Go ahead.
I don't find there's any disadvantage, honestly speaking. You only grow as an artist. And I had to wait 28 years to be working with him again. Wow. So trust me, I know the longing to find a good director. And we all are creative people and we are hungry to perform and to act, So when a director demands that of us, we just thrive on that. We love that. And so it's been a pleasure, it's been an honor to be working with him again.
Richa, Sanjida.
I really would want to work with him again very soon, inshallah.
That's a good point.
But
I hope I don't have to wait another 28 years.
We also hope so.
Inshallah. And the advantage is that, you're around that person who is so consistent with his work. His perseverance and hard work is so constant that it's so inspiring to be around him. So there's only pluses, disadvantages to koi nahi waise. Only advantages.
I would say the advantages are too many. First, you become a better actor, more generous actor, because he forces you in that moment to think on your feet and give it your best shot, and you get totally stretched to your best capacity. The disadvantage, I would say, is that I was also shooting something alongside. मुझे फिर दूसरे सेट पे मजा नहीं आया. I was just like, this director is not paying as much attention
to his craft
as Sanjay sir. He's not as focused on. With Sanjay sir, the पीछे वाले extra की टोपी अगर टेढ़ी है, then he will comment on it. He'll make sure that is okay.
Yeah, totally.
If one candle is not aligned properly in frame, I don't know how his attention to detail works. I don't know how he's able to, focus on the protagonist and the central character, as well as, what people would call junior actors. But he's just, so that's the disadvantage, that you see the big contrast between then him, his set, and then working on some other set.
Yeah. For you guys?
No, I absolutely agree. I don't think there are any disadvantages. You grow as an actor, you become a more resilient person, you grow as a person as well. So just being on that set, seeing things happen the way they happen, the way he does them, I think it's a great learning experience for anyone. And I feel as an actor, your learning should never stop. That's what makes you a better actor. So you just get to learn a whole lot more on his set, which is amazing. So
what will you miss about working with him on this series?
Looking at this, I think just the beauty, just the attention to detail, everything about it was, so worth it. I think I'll miss that.
Aditi, for you?
The advantages are far too many. I think everybody has said this, but I always say, like, it is life altering to work with Sanjay sir. It changes so many things about you, and it also kind of makes you very effortlessly surrender, because it is an environment, the environment that he creates is so full of nurture and also challenge. And I always say this, like, to be able to feel like a child on a set, like a fearless child on a set, where you really feel you can do anything, and you have somebody who's sort of making sure that you learn your best, that you do your best. And at the same time is also really giving you a lot of love. So there is a challenge and nurture, and I think that's it's very addictive, that kind of way of working. And it's not easy to find that on every set, and I wouldn't call it a disadvantage, but that is something that you constantly yearn for, which you possibly wouldn't get every time. You get it with certain people and on certain sets. So I love Sanjay sir, and I find him very magical. Also the fact that he is just there's artistry in every bone, every pore of his being. I find that very, very, very inspiring and so beautiful, actually.
Manisha ji, like you said that it's been 28 years that you had to, wait for that long to work with Sanjay ji. How are his films different from the rest of the films that you all do? Like she pointed out that there was a huge difference between the two films that she was juggling between.
Absolutely. I think when you're working with a director like Sanjay, his attention for detail, he's watching everything. I have not really seen many people do that. And not only that, there's a very human side of him. He knows the character, the junior artist names as well. So it's really touched me. And when I entered the set of Hira Mandi, from the ceiling to the wall to the corner to, like today somebody was saying, all of us in Shahi Mahal had bedrooms with bathrooms. So much of elaborate work that he does before we all get to acting. And of course in acting also equally amount of pain he takes from all of us.
And how much time did it take for you all to shoot this series in total?
I know the full day count.
Yeah, we don't know. Tell.
380.
380 days.
Wow.
I mean, all of us, we were all separate. I think my total was like 190 types, but total 380.
Total 380.
And how much time did you guys just take to get ready individually?
3 hours, 80 seconds.
Anywhere between
Minutes.
2 to 3 hours.
Yeah,
2 to 3
3
hours,
hours.
yeah.
And on daily basis.
On a daily basis.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And if you had to
I've
swap
done 45 minutes.
45 minutes.
No way.
For which look?
Really?
Me also.
Yeah.
For which look?
Which one?
My looks are very simple.
Yeah, even my some looks
Especially
were
the
quite
braided
simple.
looks.
But if you all had the chance to swap your respective characters with someone else, who would you
Someone
rather
else
it?
within each other.
Yeah, within you guys.
I'll take Vibhu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd take MJ.
Because she's so not me.
I will take MJ.
You take your role.
Malika Jan is my inner soul.
She's the queen.
It is.
She's Huzur.
But it's who I am deep down inside. Auqaat mein.
I would take either Alam or...
Yes, you would definitely
I
take
can't imagine being Faridan, but I would try to be Faridan.
Yeah. If you did
Because Faridan would
Very
be
good, Lajjo.
Alam, I would.
We are very content with what we've done.
Actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our characters.
Ideally, yeah.
That's just because Malika
I think
Jan wants to
sir
be Malika
actually
Jan, so
picked-
she's content.
Yeah.
Like, kuch soch ke he picked this.
Yeah.
Alright, so outside of Hira Mandi series, if you had to be cast in Sanjay Leela Bhansali film, which would that be?
All of the above.
Yeah.
Hum Dil De Chuke
Yes.
Devdas.
I would like to do black.
Black.
Yeah, even
I want to be Kashi from Bajirao
That would be
Mastani.
challenging, I think. Yeah.
I
I
would
can be
want to do
heartbroken great.
Khamoshi too.
Again. What's your favorite memory of that then?
So many good memories. So
That
many
you-
good
that
memories.
I also remember me
Preparation for the role, we were training and all that. So everything from day go when I read the script till the end, it was a very, great experience.
All right, so we'll play a small game. Who's likely to? Okay.
सब कुछ मेरे पे यार खत्म होता है.
Who's most likely to reach the sets first?
Yeah,
Three of us, yeah, for sure.
for sure.
Who's most likely to reach the sets late?
We can point
How
others.
can you point at me?
We can point others.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Raise your hand before you raised it.
Who's more likely to be late?
On the sets.
Chalo, I'll take one for the team.
You don't have to.
It's okay. Somebody has to be late, and technically, if everyone is on time.
Only three of us.
Three of us are on time. No. आप लोग आपस में देख लो.
She's being modest, I guess.
I'll take it.
Who's most likely to take longer to get ready on the sets?
Now you raise your hand.
Because quicker we know it's Aditi, right?
Yeah.
You'll all
Yeah,
agree.
okay.
45 minutes is
45 minutes is too quick.
And it's true, huh?
Yeah.
I'm not just echoing.
Who is most likely to break out laughing in a serious scene?
Me. Also.
Not on Sanjay sir's set.
No, I mean, I feel like I could, but like, as long as he doesn't catch me.
But I remember once I had to do a very gusse wala scene and Sanjay sir said, "Acha, everybody now, abhi Aditi ka love scene shuru hoga." Obviously that made me laugh and I was just like, wrong time. Keep it together.
All right. Who is most likely to be distracted on the sets while delivering the sequence?
I can get distracted, especially if, you know,
Even I can. I think
if someone
everyone
is
can.
my
It's human
line
to
or,
get
you
distracted
know,
sometimes.
No, it just depends how it comes out. Like, I think all of us have the ability as actors to get distracted, but
What is more important is to come back to the
yeah,
character again.
exactly.
And
That's more important.
with him, you have to remember a lot of things. He'll say, at this point, you should touch this bottle, take a sip from it, look out because this is the light for you. And then you have to, so then it's quite complicated. So if it's that many things to remember in one little thing, and he does long takes, he doesn't like to cut too much. So that's difficult.
Pause while saying.
Yeah, honestly,
Yeah.
I think we all had to, like, I was on my toes all the time. So I think all of us were.
Yeah.
Totally.
So I think distraction is not really a option.
Option, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. There was,
That's
couldn't be distracted.
So true.
Who's most likely to break into a song?
Aditi, na? She sings really well.
Aditi.
Can you
Yeah.
sing a line for us?
Chal, sakal ban ga.
Yeah, seriously, I should have just kept my mouth shut.
Ga sakal ban.
Guys,
India is waiting today. Let's go.
सकल बन फूल रही सरसों, सकल बन फूल रही सरसों. वो आगे क्या है?
That's good. I was looking at the series, Richa. I saw the dance. How much time did you take to practice that and to put that into execution?
I know
was that
what
process?
shot you're talking about.
Yeah.
I want to tell you, I didn't get any time because he made me. We did a different choreography, and then on the day he said, "ये cancel करके अब तुम ये कर दो." And I had a very tough time. I think that was my toughest day of shooting ever in my life. Ma'am was there, gave me a lot of confidence. But हाँ, मतलब practice एक तरह से it's a good thing that you are in practice for a dance form. Because then you're warmed up and you can just do it. But that was very difficult because when you start practicing a certain way, it's in your body. You hear the song, then you're like, yes, नहीं ये नहीं कट गया, ये करना पड़ता है, and then you know it was very challenging.
Because we have also heard that Sanjay Leela Bhansali is someone, as a director, he would not let you go until he gets the perfect shot. So it could take you 20 takes, 27 takes. So
100 takes also.
100 takes as well.
was that the highest count during the shoot?
My highest count was 99 takes.
99.
Yeah.
We've discussed
Must be in the
this
song
once.
only. No?
It was in the
No,
song.
52. Mine was 52, my highest, which is higher than I've ever done in my life.
Mine was
but
99 and pack up because he said मैं extras के पैसे अब नहीं दूंगा. I didn't get a good take and 99 and pack up. So it was quite
Hectic and
destroyed my sense of self completely.
99,
So usually it's a
I
12-hour
don't
shift also. So
Yeah.
it used to get extended.
No, I mean the thing is not beyond a point. He was quite
Record.
particular about finishing on time, giving breaks on time, etc. But yeah, the thing is, it's not about वो उनको जो मिलना चाहिए, then he let it go. The thing is, he also has a lot of knowledge of dancing and music of Indian classical forms.
Yeah.
So you can't cheat there. You can't be like, you can't, if you have Bharatnatyam in your body and you're tending to squat a little more, but the style is Kathak, he'll catch you. So he's very particular. That's why it takes so long.
Yeah. And Manisha ji, for you, you were the backbone of the entire team. I could see that, especially when she was dancing and you were there as a backbone for her too, that scene. How do you get into those,
On set also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
I'm pretty sure
She
the way
was
she's
a rock.
been, she's
Even
like
off
a rock.
set.
no.
Manisha,
This was behind the scene.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
because we all are actors, and I completely understand the kind of what we're trying to do here, what we're trying to achieve, and what the director is trying to push us at. So, obviously, all of us are there for each other, we understand what the other person is going through. And because there are times we are going through the same situation. So, it's like give and take.
And for you also, Sonakshi, your entry scene, like I said, that it was really hard hitting. What took you to get into the skin of your character? Because, I'm pretty sure it was pretty hard on you also, like to pull off that role.
I try not to take that pressure. I like to, just listen to what my director has to say. And when there's a director like Sanjay sir, who's practically a magician,
Yeah.
for me, it wasn't that difficult.
Yeah.
I literally would just hear exactly what he's saying and try to do it to the best of my ability. It's a very different character for me. I don't think I've not played
I've
something
never
like
seen
this.
you playing that role.
I've not played something like this in
Yeah.
my entire career of some 35
And I
plus
could just see
films.
that in the very first scene that I saw.
Yeah, so for me, this was something so challenging, something so refreshing and new that I really gave my heart and soul to it. And
I could see that.
I think, that's what you can probably see on screen.
Yeah.
So for me, it was just the fact that this is so different. And it was just, it was like me being reborn.
Yeah.
And I loved that. Yeah.
And Aditi, for you, your chemistry with Fardeen, my God, he's coming back to the screens after 14 long years. It's just magical.
I was actually really excited to work with him.
Yeah.
And he's such a gentleman, much like the Nawab that he's been cast as.
Exactly.
Wali Sahab is a real gentleman, and I also feel, I don't know if it's too early to say this, but I think the way that Sanjay sir has also shown that love and respect. Because again, when you think of Tawaifs, everybody has a preconceived notion of
Yes.
who they are, what they are, how they function, etc. But the way that Sanjay sir has shown them, and it was kind of true, like the fact that they were artists. They had a lot of agency. They had political say. They were educated. They knew poetry. They knew dance, music, etc., etc. And very often they had a choice in the patrons that they kept. And at times it was actually love. And to show that, is so important. To show that kind of 360 wholesome life that they also lived. Maybe they had desires, wants, maybe they were trapped, etc. But there was also a push to live the life that they deserve to live, to dream the dreams that they wanted to dream, etc. And I think that's so beautiful to actually have that,
Yeah.
There's a kind of poetry in that whole narrative, and I find that very beautiful.
And Charming, for you, how were your scenes with Manisha ji? She was hard hitting on you. She was like a, that angry woman
was like a-
always.
Not with her. I always say that I was the daughter who was like, she is partial to her. I was the good one who was always like, Ammi Jaan.
You were the good one, but
She was
my
the
scenes-
badmaash, the
Yeah,
rebel.
you're rebellious.
my
one thing.
scenes with her are quite heavy because I was reading the scenes one day before we started shooting, and I was like, seems a little like my relationship with Sanjay sir. I don't know what more to say. Like, I feel like sometimes it is though, like it is how he is with me. The expectation, the love that comes through that expectation it's exactly how Manisha ma'am's character Malika Jan is with my character Alam. Like it's literally the same, and I kind of enjoyed it because I was like, "हाँ मुझे मालूम है एक scene कैसे
Like a hashtag full pressure for her.
Yeah, pretty
But it
sure.
also gave me a certain amount of understanding. I was like, yeah, I've been through this in real life. Chal, let's act it out also once or twice. But it was fun. Like, and Manisha ma'am was also very supportive through the shooting processes of those scenes. So I think it worked out really well. Like if like she'd stay to give me my lines, and I'd be like, ma'am, you honestly don't need to. Like we'll manage it and figure it out. And I was like, because you're shooting 16 hours a day, and like she does, if my shots are happening and we've already finished in the morning, ma'am doesn't have to stand there and give my lines. But she was always very helpful and very supportive in that way. So it worked out very well overall.
Absolutely.
And I had fun.
Even for you, Sanjeeda, it's very difficult to process the fact that you did something like out of the box, a negative kind of role. How was it for you?
I think as an actor, you really want to like evolve and grow with every work what you do. And I think I was at the stage of my life where I really wanted to do something exciting, which excited me as a person, which excited me as a actor. And here I had to play Wahida. I again repeat this, but I'm a very simple, not very complicated person.
Yeah, totally opposite to what you're playing on screen.
But that's the fun. That's
Yeah,
like
exactly.
that's the creator what we had, Mr. Bhansali. It was his imagination. We are his creation. And I think everyone is created beautifully. And I genuinely feel that Hiramani is like painting.
It is.
And we are like characters, you know, with different palettes of emotions. And it's so beautiful. Like I'm dying to watch the episode. I'm so jealous of you now.
We haven't seen anything.
Really?
आपने हम सबसे ज़्यादा देखा है.
My God. All right. So while shooting, I also want to know what's the best compliment you all have got from Sanjay sir? Each of you, if you've got that while shooting.
Look at all of us just like dumbfounded, not knowing what to say.
Standing
Nobody.
ovation from him. So
Yeah.
that was the biggest compliment I could, I could ever receive in life.
I think when he's happy,
that was
there is
a
this,
very
when he's
memorable.
happy, with
He's
the shot,
very
there is
generous
this-
praise.
Yeah.
He's very
honest.
Yeah.
Basically, he's very encouraging, and I think we can share our stuff. He called and he said, "You don't know what you've done,"
Yeah.
and I'm like, "Can I see it?" You know, so
I'm like the opposite. I don't like watching my shots. So sir is like, देख तो रहे तूने क्या किया है? I said नहीं sir आपको अच्छा लगा? ठीक है फिर. So, yeah.
He gets a particular twinkle in
Yeah,
his eye.
yeah, when
he'll
he's
do
happy.
This, you know, he'll do. And you feel like, I won in life. But he's very complimentary and he's very, very loving.
Really?
Yeah, he
Very
loves his
loving.
actors, I
He
think.
really, my God, he really showers you with so much love and so much praise.
Before I leave you guys, one message for your fans. I'm pretty sure everybody is waiting to watch this series. But if you had to say something to your fans before it releases.
guys, watch Hira Mandi, because I think all of us have really worked hard and enjoyed this, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy watching this.
So everyone is aware that Sanjay sir doesn't make many films. बहुत कम बनाते हैं और जब भी वो कुछ बनाते हैं बहुत अव्वल नंबर की चीज़ होती है. But this is not a film, this is a series. But every episode is like a film. तो अगर आपको देखना है 8 episodes in the version of films.
Richa.
Please watch Hira Mandi on the 1st of May, streaming only on Netflix, because India has not seen any show like this. And this is Sanjay Leela Bhansali's first ever outing on the OTT. And it's definitely going to be breathtaking and it's going to blow your mind.
Sonakshi.
I think this is definitely the biggest series to come out of India. And it's a Bhansali series, his first, like Richa said, and watch it for the performances, the grandeur, and of course the magical world that Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali and only Mr. Sanjay Leela Bhansali can make. So yes, Hira Mandi on Netflix on May 1st.
Aditi.
Watch Hira Mandi, The Diamond Bazaar on Netflix on May 1st. Watch it for the Bhandar of Hiras. From OG Hira, Sanjay sir, to the technical team, to every single person on set, to, may I just say, all of us. We are all hopefully shining for you and we love you. So We'll see you soon.
Watch Hira Mandi on Netflix on May 1st for a lot of reasons. One of the main reasons, obviously, being it's Sanjay Sir's first series that he has created. And if you think one movie is good enough, like Sangeeta said, 8 movies at one time. Also watch it for the complexity of each character and how each character is different and represents a certain aspect of a woman. Combined together, we all probably make the complete woman, but like every aspect of a woman, every emotion, I think we've touched almost every note in 8 episodes, and we love to share those emotions with all of you.
That was lovely chatting with you all. Thank you so much for joining us on India Today, and all the best for Hira Mandi.
Thank you, Deepali.
Thank you.